most constant things that occurs in our life is change. And whenever I'm working with anyone, they find that the universe responds to their change, right? And so even in our own lives, when we look at the decisions that we make and when we are having to change something, whatever it may be, there is always a response, right, to that change. And the universe responds to the boldness that we have when we need to make a change, right? And you can look at this in your life in any type of a way. And I'll use the example of, let's say, just because this is such a common theme with the women that I have worked with, which is career, right? They have looked at the careers that they are in, and they are noticing that they are in environments or in careers that just no longer serve them, even if they like them, right? Or even if they have enjoyed that career. They are wanting a change within that career, and not necessarily the work that they do, but the environment or the way in which the work shows up. And so there's always that fear. And so when they decide to boldly make a change within their career in whatever way that they need to, they find that the response that they get is something that aligns with what they desire, right? Let's say that you're a writer, right? You've always been a writer. You've always aligned with writing despite any other career that you have done, right? And so you are wanting to align with more writing. You're wanting to place more focus in your writing. And so as you begin to put more focus towards your writing, you will begin to get more responses and more feedback with more opportunities to write, more opportunities to have your writing be put out there, and whatever the case may be, right? And so because you boldly decided to make that change and follow through with the decision to bring your writing to the forefront. And so the universe, through that decision, has now, there has been a ripple that has been planted now that you'll begin to have more opportunities to write. You'll have more opportunities. You'll have more creative flow. You'll have more, you'll probably end up in spaces with other writers, etc., etc. And so you begin to see the shift in that area of your life because you are making decisions and choices to align with that particular career set or that particular opportunity, because that's what is aligning with you, right? And so you've always been a writer. you are writing, but you've made the decision to place your writing at more of a forefront in a way, in whatever way that is resonant with you, and however that works for you in the best way, right? And so the universe responds back to you with the change and the boldness that you have. And boldness is not loud. I think oftentimes we mistake being bold for being loud. And bold is not loud at all. But bold is belief and is having an internal audacity that bold is having an internal audacity and belief in yourself that the decision that you are making is in alignment and the correct decision, and that and the universe responds to that. And so when you're wanting to see any type of change, right, ask yourself before you begin to step into any change, ask yourself, am I bold enough or have the audacity to actually follow through with the decisions that I am making? And it's also like a constant flow, right? You are constantly in this ebb and flow of things, right? Because change is flow at the end of it all. It's just a flow. And so nothing, and I always come back to this, is nothing's absolute, nothing is set in stone, but there is a peace and a groundedness that you have in your decisions. And so regardless, like, that is also within the boldness of your decision as well, is that you know that despite your decisions, is that regardless, you are making the right decision, and that and that it will be taken care of, right? It will be taken care of, and it's going to align with you and for you in the best way, right? So yeah. Namaste.